Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this application process, we'll be showing the fully funded scholarship in Germany. This scholarship is open for international students at Dresden Graduate School, and it's open to masters and PhD. We'll show the detailed application process. How do you apply for this scholarship? Before we proceed, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel for scholarships. If you are here for the first time and have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page here. Our username is Full Scholarships. All scholarship related content is posted here. The link for this fully funded scholarship in Germany is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashnook.com. And on Instagram, about section or bio section, you can see the websites or stories or highlights. Link is also given there, or you can directly search on Google fullscholarships.net. Once you land on this page here, you can read about this. Dresden Graduate School DLGS in Germany has announced its application for session 2027. So they'll be offering full tuition fee waiver and monthly stipend of around 1500 euros, including travel costs and research experience. This is hosted in Germany, open to postgraduate PhD scholarships. It's a full scholarship. Travel cost, research expense, and monthly stipend. No IEL is required here, so no IEL is required. Deadline is 1st of September 2026. Details for this, you can apply for the PhD programs of 2027 academic session under different themes, and requirements for this. You should have a master's degree, bachelor's degree, and research proposal you have to submit. Uh, for that, you can choose different disciplines to apply, starting from transportation studies, urban and regional planning, geography, data science, urban informatics, economics, business studies, sociology, political science, and transition and innovation studies. To apply, you will have to go to official website, complete the online application form, attach all documents. In that document list, you will have to attach a research proposal. For that, link is given here. The official research proposal format is given there. So what should be in research proposal format? So background and motivation, state of art, research approach, research design, and work plan. So this is the format you will have to adopt. You have to answer all these questions in the research proposal. Now start the application, click on this link, and it will open the official DLGS Dresden Graduate School official website. This is the DLGS Scholarship Annual Topic 2027. Levels for Sustainable Urban Mobility Transformations. Application deadline is 1st of September. Program start March 1st, 2027. You can start the, and here is the call for the application PDF. Detailed invitation for the application is given here. What is the reason? Research gaps. So you can read these research gaps, and so that you can prepare your research proposal accordingly. Research topics are given here: public policy, business model, integrated tools, integrated perspectives, your eligibility, age. So every detail, every aspect is given here. So funding will be provided for the duration of 3 years. Everything is here. And in order to start application now, you can go back to home page and click on this application form here. Once you click on that application form, this type of application form will be in front of you. So first you'll have to give your first name, your last name, your current address. Then you'll have to give your phone number, then street, province, postcode. Then you'll have to select your country, and then your phone number. Then you have to give your email, and then personal information. Select your gender, then date of birth. So you'll have to give all of your information here. So I'll just because this is not going Here I'll mention the date of birth, place of birth, then country of birth. All details must be as per the passport. Then citizenship and currently residing in EU. So no, we are not. Then academic qualifications, number of qualifications you have. So we'll mention two. Type of qualification. Let me just mention one, and I mention masters only. The awarding institution and country of the awarding institution. Then subjects. You have to mention all the subjects on your transcripts that are mentioned there. And when did you start this? And until when you completed this? And then graduated, yes. And a degree date, you can mention that. Includes written thesis, yes. Grade of written thesis, and you can mention successfully completed final grade 9. You can upload your certification here that you have completed that masters. Then master's thesis, you'll have to mention title of the thesis here, abstract, name of the supervisor, then supervisor affiliation here, and then work experiences. If you have, you can submit. And then English language proficiency, English as first language, complete your masters in English language, yes. Additional information, then research proposal, work title, then research proposal references, research proposal address, then research areas, professor said true dates, and you have that means the potential supervisors you have to list here. Do you plan on conducting interdisciplinary, transdisciplinary research? So yes and no accordingly. Then letter of motivation, you have to mention here. Then references, first reference, position, affiliation, postal address, then email. So all these details have to be submitted here. And country, you have to mention here. Then referee to, address, then country of the referee to, and email. Then how did you heard about this? You can say the art database or other or personal. And generative AI used in this application. So you can mention yes and no, and confirm all this accurate information is there. And once you are ready, you can preview. There are some errors you need to fix. So go back to this. Let's see where is the issue. Okay, now there is a preview. You can see. Once you are ready, once you are satisfied with the information, you can click on submit, and you can also preview the application. There's a please wait. Once you tap on this, you can see application successfully submitted, and you might receive confirmation as well, but it might take some time. So you'll have to wait. Let me go to spam. So as of now, there is nothing. So yeah, it might take some time. Okay, now there you can see we have received your application for the DLGS scholarship, and this is the application form details you have filled in. Everything is in your mail so that you can keep it in case there's an interview. You can keep this for your reference purpose. So that's it. In case you have any confusions regarding research proposal or which subjects to choose, which university to choose. This is in itself, this TU Dresden is itself a university, academic institution. So there you will have to study. Yeah, this is we discussed the process for PhD as of now, and other master's scholarship will be opening soon at the same portal, same type of form. So that's it for today. I'm signing off of fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.